Hey guys, George and Jake at EDC Leather. This is a product video, not so much a training video, but got a new product we're really excited about. Some of you know about our attempts at creating molds for blue guns that don't exist. And this is one of the first ones out. This is a Model 29 4-inch barrel, 44 Magnum. Can't get it on the market where it holds up. It's done out of a Shore D 60 durometer polyurethane. So it's not going to break. You can throw this thing across the room like we do with the rest of our blue guns. So really excited about this product. Jake's going to get up on the web tonight. We got another one that it's going to first of a series. This is a TLR3 light that's an undergun mount. What we ran into before was you had to buy a blue gun that was already molded with the light, and when you did that, you couldn't use it for anything else. So that was really kind of an expensive situation. So we molded the light separately. Got my handy dandy Glock here. Slide it onto there. And now you can take and make a light mounted firearm, at least with this model at the moment. And when you're done, take it off and put it on a different one. So, fantastic solution to this. These are going to be on the website too. So here's what we go. So one of the things going on with this is we were counting on the malleability of this material to be able to use a Chicago screw to bend it in and get it tight. It does a pretty good job, but the reality is it won't hold on when I pull the firearm out of, when I pull the blue gun out of the holster. After I'm done molding, it ends up leaving this in the holster, and I just take my like a sight channel or something, I dink it out of the holster. We're just not getting that tight of a fit and still retain the just the bulletproof unbreakableness of this material. But these are the first two out of these new models. The next ones we're working on, I believe, is going to be the Ruger Super Red Hawk setup for the Alaska Wilderness. And we are doing the TRL 1, 2, and 4 as well as the TRL 3. So these are going to be on the website. We're really excited about this process. And keep it out. We'll make a video each time we drop something new and cool. All right? Thanks.